Welcome to Tools for Teens, where the smart gets smarter. Today is part 2 of avatar, voice, and music generation. Let's get into it. So while this is processing, I'd like to show you the next step, because what we're going to need is B-roll for our video, meaning while the avatar is speaking, we need some movement and we need some images that are rolling in the background. So for this, we use InVideo. So ai.invideo.io is your go-to platform. And this is magical as well, because now we can just import the script and it's going to create a video based on that automatically. So I just paste in that script and I say generate video. So now you can see that it's analyzed the script. It's come up with a title, upgrade your AI skills for free. And it's basically doing the heavy lifting. So let's see what InVideo does for us. And now we just have to tick a few boxes. So on the free plan, you can unfortunately only use the stock media option. I'm going to go for about 1 minute of video. It has to be, I think, inspirational. And because I'm going to run this ad on an Instagram reel, I'm going to choose the YouTube Shorts option. Okay, and it's telling me that it's found music and it's choosing voices. It's like having your own little director working for you. And I have to say, it's pretty amazing. Okay, so our video is done. We can watch it in a low quality resolution before we export. Let's see what InVideo did with our script.
Stop stressing over lesson plans and start transforming your classroom with AI. Hey teachers, ready to unlock the future of education? Join Thean's free AI skills workshop and discover how to revolutionize your teaching. I'm Thean, director of a successful e-learning company with over 10 years of experience in digital and AI skills. Since 2018, I've been transforming the English curriculum at Woodside School using AI, and the results have been phenomenal. Now it's your turn.
So it doesn't look too bad, but I'm not happy with the captions. I'm just going to press the edit button here. And this is the cool thing about InVideo, because you have quite a bit of control. I can swap out clips. I can change the music. I can go back to the script. And in settings, I can now go to the subtitle preset and I can just switch that off. So I'll just say none and save changes. Great. So let's see what that looks like without captions.
Workshop and discover how to revolutionize your teaching. I'm Thean, director of a successful e-learning company with over...
Right, and that looks pretty good. And now I'll choose the download option. So unfortunately, we will have to download with a watermark and with InVideo branding because we're on the free option, but at least we get a video in 1080p. So I'll continue. And while that is downloading, let's have a look at our avatar video. So I'll just click on this image and we press play.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Si eres docente y estás listo para mejorar tus habilidades en IA, este taller es para ti. Hola, soy el avatar de Thean Heineck y quiero invitarte a un evento que puede cambiar tu vida.
Okay, so that's pretty cool. It doesn't look exactly like me, but it will definitely work. So now I just go to the download option, and unfortunately, I can only download up to 720p, which is fine. And I just say download. And just to show you, there is another option if you would like it more personalized. So you're going to go to avatars. You say create new avatar. But this time, instead of choosing a custom photo avatar, you can choose the hyper realistic avatar. This only works if you have good footage of yourself and you can just follow the instructions. Let me show you what the results were at the end of the day.
Si sos docente y estás listo para mejorar tus habilidades en IA, este taller es para ti.
So at the end of the video, have a look at both versions and then you can decide which you think works best. And now we're going to start putting this all together. So once again, you can use any video editing software you prefer. I'm using the Vegas Pro 14 version, and I'm just going to import these two files from InVideo and HeyGen. The last step is now to remove that green background. So in Vegas Pro, you have to look for the chroma keyer. So it's this option, the chroma keyer. I'm going to add that. I say, okay. So I choose the green screen option and I'm just going to see if I can match that color more or less. So you can already see that we're doing a pretty good job of removing the background. And now we're just going to push this threshold up a bit and bring this one down. And now you can see that we have our avatar in front of that B-roll footage. So let's see what this looks like.
Si eres docente y estás listo para mejorar tus habilidades en IA, este taller es para ti.
So yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. I just have one final hack to make it a little bit more personalized and get away from that generic stock footage feel. And for that, I'm going to go to Kaiber. So Kaiber is this great platform where you can transform existing videos into different styles. You just go to kaiber.ai/create, and I'm going to choose this option, which is the transform option. So I'll click on that, and now I'm going to upload this B-roll footage video. And now I can give it a prompt, something like an educational video. And now I can choose my style. So I'm going to go for the retro futurism style and see what that looks like. Now I can change the intensity. So the higher you push this, the more wild it becomes. I'm just going to keep it on 5 for now. And it's going to take 330 of my credits. But let's just generate a preview to make sure we're on the right track before we say okay. Okay, so that's looking pretty wild. It's not exactly what I had in mind, but I'm going to say, yeah, let's go for it. So in the meantime, I'm going to generate some music for my advertisement. And for that, I go to suno.com. I'm going to say instrumental, and I'm going to say something like stomp, music, drums, only percussion. And I'm going to say AI workshop music. All right, and that was quick. Let's see what AI came up with. Yeah, I have to say that's pretty cool. It's very intense, but I think it might work. Here's the second track. Let's have a listen. Yeah, okay, so I think I prefer the first one. I'm going to see if this works at the end of the day. And like I said, if not, I'll just use another audio track. Okay, so Kaiber is finished processing. Let's have a look at this video.
Stop stressing over lesson plans and start transforming your classroom with AI. Hey teachers, ready to unlock the future of education? Join Thean's free AI skills workshop and discover how to revolutionize your teaching.
Okay, so this is not exactly what I was hoping for. I think I can use some of this video. I'll just go back and forth in Kaiber and maybe other platforms. And at the end of the day, I'm sure I will have some great B-roll for my advertising. So now you know how to create your own avatar and also create an advertisement with an avatar. I hope this was useful. I'll see you in the next one. Stay adaptable.
Si sos docente y estás listo para mejorar tus habilidades en IA, este taller es para ti. Soy el avatar de Tian Heineke, el director de una empresa de e-learning exitosa y trae para ti 10 años de experiencia en educación digital y inteligencia artificial totalmente gratis. Desde 2018 ha estado integrando la IA en el currículo de inglés que enseña en Woodside, uno de los mejores colegios privados en Punta del Este. Y el impacto que ha tenido en sus estudiantes ha sido increíble. Ahora es tu turno de actualizar tus habilidades. En este taller aprenderás flujos de trabajo eficientes, trucos sorprendentes y formas de aumentar tu productividad. Descubrirás todo lo que es posible, comprenderás los cambios rápidos que están ocurriendo y te prepararás junto con tus estudiantes para la era de IA general o AGI. Los cupos son limitados, así que haz clic en el enlace ahora y reserva tu lugar. Nos vemos ahí.